Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be solving another LeetCode problem called permutations. We all know what is permutation. So for this solving this problem, we will be having a backtracking approach. So let's get started with the coding. So here we can see that we have to return a list of integers. So let's first initiate what we need to return. We are taking it as a new array list. We will be having a helper function that is called we'll name it as a backtrack. And this will do all the things. So here we will have we'll call my helper function backtrack, and the backtrack will have the result list, and also we'll send the nums array, and we will have a new array list that will be a temporary list that will contain my values of the list, and we'll send an index number here from where we have to start, and then we can return our results list. So we can declare here is that we will have a list of integer results, and we will have our nums array, and we'll have another list of integer that will be called temp, and we'll have index maintaining, that is index we'll call n. So first we will see that if n is size of nums dot length, then we will add that in the result, and it will be a new array list of temp. We'll need a new array list here, because we know that we will, in the result we need a list of integer, and that is our temp. But if as we will manipulate temp multiple times, so we will copy everything inside the temp when n is the size of nums of length in a new array list, so that the manipulation does not make any change later in my resulting array. And then we will return from here, and now we will start for int I equal 0, I is less than nums dot length I plus plus. And what we need to do is we have to add my number. Now temp add nums of I, and then we will do a backtrack here on the result, my nums, and the temp, and also the next number that will be the n plus 1 here. And once we're done with my backtracking, we have to remove that. So what we'll do is like we have to remove the last value from the temporary list, and that will be, we can say that temp dot size minus 1, and we'll remove that temp dot remove last. Now we have to mention skip up one thing, that when we are looping through from I to n, and when we are adding that in the temp, we can see that sometimes we can have one, and then again if we have like looping through for n plus 1, that is will be 2, and if we start from 0, then we will get 1 again, and that is a redundant. We do not want that. So we have to check that if temp right now contains the nums of I. So if temp contains that, then we have to continue. We do not add it. Now let's see. We can see we get the correct result, and if we submit it, it's a 4 millisecond. Now we can improve this here, because we are checking in an array for the number, and that is actually time consuming. So instead of checking in the list, we can check it inside a set. So for that, what we can do is we can have a set of integer set, which will be a new hash set, and let's pass this set here. So it is a set of integer set, and what we will check here is, instead of the temporary list, we'll check that if inside the set, which will improve my time complexity. But yeah, of course we will have an added space here. So we can have add that in the set every time we add in the nums I in the list, and also we have to remove it from the set. So before removing it from the temp list, we first remove it from the set. So set dot remove temp dot get last. And okay, we have to pass the set here. You can see that we get the correct answer. Let's submit it, and we see that it's improved from 4 millisecond to 3 millisecond. Okay, that's it. If you have any questions, please ask me and comment it in the below. Bye. Thank you.